Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by RockAuto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. BrothersTrucks.com, your #1 source for 1947 to 87 Chevy and GMC truck restoration. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. NHOU Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system. And by Bulldog Adhesion Promoter. Save time and money with Bulldog.
Here on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, we're always bringing you the latest in cutting-edge technology. You see the Lazer from AP Lazer. They're always leading the way. But here's a unit from them we haven't seen before. Bradley Powers, what is it?
It is the brand new AP Galvo machine, it has a fiber source, which is a fancy term for being able to say you finally have a machine that will etch metal. You can actually go into the metal and do a clear etch so the metal shines through. You can get a black marking, as you can see before us here. And you can even get sort of a white mark on the Motorhead Garage logo that we have. So you are really opening the door with this new machine into a brand new market that a lot of automotive enthusiasts really want. They want to be able to mark those metal items either on their vehicles. The gear heads really want to be able to put their mark on whatever they're creating. And this machine finally opens that door to truly get in there and make what you've been asking for happen. And if you'll open up the door, you can see the interior is just a very small to-the-point area with a Galvo head, a wonderful lens, and the Galvo head has a red dot laser that'll allow you to line everything up no matter how small of an area you're etching with this, because this will mark down to a 0.05 millimeter line. So that's very, very, very small. So all the little help that you can get counts, because you can go anywhere from jewelry etching all the way up to wrenches, rotary devices, and it's going to come with the rotary device. That way you can do those tumblers that you want to do. You can go into the jewelry etching for the rings and marking inside of the rings. And if you ever have an issue, you're going to have the tech support that you've come to love from AP Lazer.
And you talked about the rotary device that enables all the round stuff.
Yes.
So obviously you can do stuff flat on the table, but the round stuff, it rotates it for you. And you got two different sizes there of the rotary.
Yes, so this is your main chuck rotary system, and a lot of people will use that for exhaust tips, tumblers, anything really cylindrical, because you can expand this out or grip it. So as long as it's a cylindrical piece, you can usually get it in there. And this is more for your jewelry etching for your rings.
Very cool. And what kind of materials are we talking? You mentioned all kinds of different stuff. How many different metals are we looking at?
I mean, as you can see in front of us, we have chrome, we have galvanized steel, we have aluminum, we even have powder-coated aluminum shift knob here. We have a steel fuel door, you have brass, copper, gold, silver. I mean, the list goes on metals, but you can also go into bricks, granite, other items that you can etch with this machine, and you can do it beautifully.
And what kind of speed are we looking at?
Speed, this will etch up to 12,000 millimeters per second. And that is really, really fast. And to be able to do 0.05 millimeter thin lines at that speed, that tells you that you're getting a quality machine.
I noticed that everybody who is a customer of AP Lasers that comes in here is an expert on it, and that's probably because of the training you get.
Yes.
And it comes with this machine as well.
Yes, you're actually going to get a 4-hour training. Included in the cost of the machine, you're going to get a laptop that has everything on it that you could possibly need. It's going to have the programs, it's going to have calibration files for you, so you can go through and do anything that you need to do.
And what about a warranty once they get rolling here?
Well, your warranty is one of the industry leading ones. It is a 3-year parts and machine warranty.
Cool. And if you get stuck, if there's something, you mentioned the tech support and all that kind of stuff. Other users, how can you reach out to them?
You have the user group on Facebook that is thousands among thousands of people willing to help you at any given time that you really need. And you have a treasure trove of information that's out there.
You look at the table here, you see lots of different stuff car folks would be interested in. We got brake caliper covers, an oil cap, a shift knob, a gas door. Folks that love cars are going to love this. They're going to love to personalize their stuff and their parts. You can find this at aplazer.com/TV. And you can find more of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings right after this.